The SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Gen 3 White is a standout mechanical gaming keyboard that blends top-tier innovation with striking aesthetics, delivering elite performance in a compact, tankless form factor. Engineered for serious gamers and esports professionals, the Gen 3 iteration introduces the cutting-edge OmniPoint 3.0 switches, which redefine responsiveness with adjustable actuation ranging from 0.1 mm to 4.0 mm, letting users fine-tune each key for either feather-light touches or deliberate presses, depending on their playstyle. This hyper-personalization enhances both speed and control, especially when combined with the new rapid trigger functionality, which allows keys to reset the moment they start lifting, enabling rapid inputs that were previously impossible on traditional mechanical switches. It's a transformative feature for FPS players and anyone seeking split-second responsiveness in competitive scenarios. Beyond the switches, the Apex Pro TKL Gen 3 adds an arsenal of game-enhancing tools, including rapid tap mode and SOCD, simultaneous opposing cardinal directions, cleaning, ensuring clean, accurate inputs during fast-paced action. The keyboard also features protection mode, which minimizes ghosting and accidental key presses during critical gameplay. Game-ready profiles and presets, preloaded into SteelSeries engine software, make it easy to get started with optimized settings across popular titles like Valorant, Fortnite, CS2, and more. Aesthetically, the Apex Pro TKL Gen 3 White version is a stunner. Its sleek aluminum alloy top plate contrasts beautifully with the crisp white finish and double-shot PBT keycaps that resist shine and wear over time. The vibrant per-key RGB illumination is fully customizable, and can be synced across other SteelSeries gear using Prism Sync. A small but impactful feature is the integrated OLED Smart Display, allowing you to view profiles, game stats, Discord notifications, or volume controls at a glance, all without leaving your game. Build quality is exceptional, thanks to the Series 5000 aircraft-grade aluminum frame, which offers excellent durability without adding unnecessary weight. The detachable USB-C cable makes it ideal for travel or LAN events, and the keyboard's compact layout, tankless, allows more space for mouse movement, crucial for FPS and competitive gamers. Despite the absence of a number pad, full macro support is still included via the software, allowing users to remap keys or record macros with ease. The SteelSeries engine software is intuitive and powerful, offering deep customization without being bloated. Users can save multiple profiles, adjust actuation levels per key, assign macros, control lighting, and even update firmware. For streamers, the ability to integrate the OLED display with custom messages or real-time data from OBS or Discord is a unique bonus that enhances engagement and multitasking.